Hi fans, I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the Eaglewireless 11541GS-12M-WB-01 PlayStation 5 replacement internal cooling 19-blade fan. And it does come with a small Torx screwdriver as well as some paste, thermal paste. So I can't really say for certain how much paste there is in there. Oh, all the way to there. So that is 0.35 units, because it doesn't say what the units actually are for this. As far, oh, on the other side it has, wait, is that milliliters? Ooh, let's see what that's showing me. Nope, it's not legible. All right, so that much. You can see it right there. Yeah. Anyways, which I thought was going to be blowing my hair back. Well, the hair that I still have anyways. Or maybe it just part my beard for me, so I'd have this cool kind of part in the middle like the Red Sea or something like that. And this is what it looks like. That's the external view, and we can see it's a centrifugal fan. And it has a 3-wire connector here. Now, in the advertisement that I saw for it, it said it's PWM. You can't have PWM with just 2 power and 1 tact signal. You have to actually have the 4th one that does the PWM. So this is not PWM. If you're looking for PWM, go buy something that actually has 4 wires, not 3. And then I looked at it. Look at the colors. I was expecting black and red, but this is brown, black, and gray. So I reached out and I asked, and eventually I got the answer that the black is black and the the brown is red and the gray is the tact signal. So I was like, okay, great. So let's see what happens when I take my bench power supply and I connect this up with my 2 things here. Very fancy, high tech. And the one that's got extra electrician's tape on it is the black. So I'm going to plug that into the black. And just squish it in there really nicely. And this is the one that's the red. You can see it's connected to red there. Oh, they're both red because whoever made these things was stupid. But come on, get in there. I did it. It's actually, I pushed it so far it actually went out the other end. Not the wire, but the probe. So anyways, it's now, as you can see, it's connected. So let's find out about its performance. I'm going to actually enable this. I've got it set to 12 volts. So that should cause it to immediately start spinning. So I'm going to hold on to this really well without losing any fingers, hopefully. And it's on. And it's not doing anything. Okay. Sometimes you have to give it a little spin to get it going. Yeah, so there we go. There we go. It's working. It's working. Not. And that's what I experienced. I'll turn that off since I don't need it anymore. That was what I experienced yesterday when I finally got the information and decided to test this to see how well it would perform. It doesn't. And, you know, it's weird because I had looked at the listing for this weeks ago, and there was one person that had written that it was dead on arrival. And there was somebody else that put a positive review and somebody else something. There weren't a lot of reviews, but the consensus was pretty mixed. When I looked at it yesterday, all the reviews were gone. There was a 5-star rating with no review attached to it. Yeah, so what happened to all those reviews? Well, one of 2 things, and I've seen this happen before. Either Eaglewireless bribed those people to remove their reviews, which is, according to Amazon's rules, not allowed. However, I just recently found another company that sells surfboards had done that. And I reported them. Now, I don't know if they're actually going to do anything about it, but they claimed they would. But I did find another company that tried to bribe me because they didn't want my negative review of their soundproofing foam, which was crap. And that company and that product are still listed on Amazon to this day, even though I reported it like 2 years ago. And from having used to work for Amazon, I know they don't really care about the law and they don't really care about their own rules. They'll break them when it's convenient for them. So the other possibility is that instead of the company Eaglewireless bribing those people who put in the reviews to get rid of them, Amazon got rid of them. I've seen reviews, including that foam I'm talking about, where the review has been crossed. It's crossed out. You can still read it if you go to the right page, but it's crossed out and it's claimed that the problem is because Amazon made a mistake. When in reality, some of those reviews, there was nothing to do with in the review with Amazon making a mistake. It was completely irrelevant, and they were covering something up for the vendor. I don't really know, but it doesn't make any sense. So you really can't rely on reviews. I don't know. I recently reviewed 3 different Porlay vertical mouses. Sorry, not mouses, trackballs. And I put in reviews for all 3 of them. One was more of a gaming kind. It had lots of lights and stuff. It was the thumb trackball. The other 2 were finger trackballs. They didn't have any lights. One of them was wireless. The other one was wired. I put in good reviews for all 3 of them. I looked a couple of days ago. All 3 of them had been rejected, and I had not been advised that my reviews had been rejected. Here's the weird part, though. My reviews were accepted because it wasn't in the awaiting reviews section. It was in the completed reviews section, but those reviews have been deleted, and it wouldn't let me put in another review. So, funny business. Whether it's the vendors or vendors and Amazon colluding, I don't know. But somewhere around, something is going strange. And yeah, anyways. So I can't recommend this fan because I'm the second person that I'm aware of that's gotten one dead on arrival. And this is going to be going in the garbage along with all the other broken technology that I have acquired, along with a 500-watt power supply that I got from a company. And I reported it multiple times to Amazon, and they still have it on my list. And I'm going to have to pay taxes on it because they won't remove it from my list. Thank you, Amazon. Yeah. Anyways, so frustrating. I know you were hoping for a good PlayStation 5 fan to replace the broken one in your PlayStation, but you should look elsewhere other than Eaglewireless. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. If you would like to help me and get something out of it by helping me on a one-time basis, you can go to my eBay channel, the PC Expert Amateur, where you can purchase the items that I have on sale there. There are lots of keyboards and mouses and some other items as well. I've got cable organizers with power supplies and a bunch of other stuff, a nice variety of things that I have reviewed in the past and I no longer need, and I need to make space. Plus, I also need the money. So if you want to do that, the information's on the screen.
I need to ask for your help. Things have been challenging. Whose life hasn't been challenging lately? So if you can please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be really, really super. Also, if you'd like to help me financially and you can't afford to, you can do a super thanks on my Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, or you can become a member there. Or if you prefer, you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there instead. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Bleeping Computer for their support of my channel. If you need resources for computers, for getting rid of malware and learning about cybersecurity and stuff, Bleeping Computer, BLEEPING computer.com is a great resource. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.